the Woodford 10018 valve body for the Woodford model Y34, Y30, W34, and X34 hydrants. We'll take a couple of looks at it. You can see on this hexed portion here, it is female thread, as well as this rounded portion here, it is also female thread. You can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. So if we get a total length, the total length's measuring right below 4 inches. We'll get an outer diameter of the hex portion, which is about right at 1.5 inches, and then an inner diameter at the threads measuring right about 1 inch. And we'll get an outer and inner diameter of the rounded side. Outside diameter measuring right at about 1.5 inches, and then inside diameter about right at 1.25 inches. So once again, this is the Woodford 10018 valve body.